Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly displays, but they sometimes show a frustrating no signal message. This usually indicates a simple connection or configuration issue that can be resolved quickly. The no signal message appears when your monitor cannot detect a proper video signal from your computer. This happens due to loose connections, faulty cables, wrong input selection, or power issues. Step 1 is power cycling. Turn off both your monitor and computer completely. Unplug their power cables and wait 30 seconds. This clears any temporary glitches in the system. Step 2 is checking cable connections. Ensure all cables are firmly seated in their ports. Look for any visible damage like bent pins or frayed wires. HDMI and DisplayPort connections should click securely into place. Step 3 is verifying the input source. Use your monitor's input or source button to cycle through available inputs like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or DisplayPort. Make sure the selected input matches where your cable is actually connected. These 3 basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Sceptre monitor signal issues quickly. Power cycling clears temporary glitches, checking connections ensures proper physical contact, and verifying input source eliminates configuration errors. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your Sceptre monitor signal issues, these advanced solutions can help restore your display connection. First, try booting your computer in safe mode to reset display resolution. This bypasses problematic display drivers and allows you to configure safe settings. Next, perform a clean graphics driver installation. Download the latest drivers from your GPU manufacturer and use Display Driver Uninstaller for a complete clean installation. If driver issues persist, reset your Sceptre monitor to factory settings using the on-screen display menu. This clears any problematic display configurations. Prevention is key to avoiding future signal issues. Use certified high-quality cables and configure proper power management settings. Finally, establish a regular maintenance schedule. Check connections weekly, update drivers monthly, and reset monitor settings quarterly to prevent issues before they occur.